In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can actually remove the background in Photoshop in under 2 minutes, and it's actually really easy and requires no skill whatsoever. And I can't believe, as far as I'm aware, there's actually no tutorials out there showing you how to remove the background, and it's actually right here in Photoshop, and it's a tool that you can use right now. Let's jump on my iMac, and I'm going to show you just how you can do that. Alright, so we are in Photoshop, and I'm going to show you the best way to remove a background that requires no skill, and you can remove your background on any photo really quickly. Alright guys, so we are on Photoshop and we have a stock image here of an apple. Now you're probably thinking, oh, he's going to show me how to use the marquee tool or the wand or the pen tool, all of these ways that you require a bit of skill, and it takes a bit of time to remove the background. This is not what I'm going to show you how to do. There's actually a tool you can use right on Photoshop that's going to remove the background just like any of those external applications that you can use. It's going to do the same job, but this is all built into Photoshop. You require no other applications, and I'm going to show you just how to do it. Really, really simple. All you do here, click on the photo here. We want to convert this to a smart object, and they want to convert this to layers. This is going to help Photoshop to remove each layer so that it can remove the background. Now straight away here we can go into properties, and then under quick actions we want to click remove background. And it's that simple, guys. That's how you can remove a background in Photoshop, and it's really, really easy. So that is how you remove a background in Photoshop with no external applications required. I can't believe I haven't found a video that shows you how to do this in Photoshop. Yes, maybe this doesn't work with all photos, but if you want to learn how to remove a background really, really quickly and easily in Photoshop, this is the #1 way to do it. If you did find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help the video get out there so we can show other people just how easy it is to remove the background with Photoshop. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.